Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video, I will be talking about a magical fertilizer that will do wonders for your garden, which is yeast. This nutritious fungi we've drunk for millennia can also be of use in our garden as fertilizer, either fermented or unfermented. Besides gaining nutrients, plants benefit from yeast cells colonizing the roots, which offers protection from harmful organisms. A fermented fertilizer. Fermented fertilizer is prepared in a vessel with about 3 gallons capacity. Begin with 1 ounce of dry yeast and 1 cup of sugar mixed, then add 1/2 to 3/4 cup of warm water. After 1 or 2 hours, dilute the mixture with 2.5 gallons of warm water. The water used need not to be from the tap. It can be rainwater, or water used previously for boiling or steaming vegetables, another great way to recycle. The yeast, sugar and water mix should sit at room temperature for a week to ferment. The mixture should then be diluted to 1 cup of mix to 2.5 gallons of water. B. Unfermented fertilizer. Unfermented fertilizer is simpler to make. Mix 1 ounce of dry yeasts with 2.5 gallons of lukewarm water. After 1 hour, the product is ready to use. When to use yeast fertilizers? The yeast-based fertilizer can be used for the whole gardens and for houseplants, although is particularly suited for tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries. It promotes rooting, so the first application should happen when the plants are still small seedlings. The application should be repeated when plants flower. The third application should occur when fruit appears. It is not recommended to use the mix more than 3 times during the growth season. Yeast-based crop protection spray. Rather than using insecticides, herbicides, or fungicides, yeast can be used to protect your garden in a safer manner. Dissolve 1 ounce of dry yeast in 2 cups of lukewarm, whole, preferably unpasteurized milk. The mixture is then dissolved in 2.5 gallons of lukewarm water. To make the spray stick to the surface, an addition of a tablespoon of natural potassium soap comes in handy, or some add a couple of drops of dish detergent. The mixture can be sprayed or simply poured on the plant top down and also on the underneath side of the leaves. The spray can be applied weekly to protect against late blight caused by common water mold. I hope you find this information helpful, because this will be the end of video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to help support my channel and give me more incentive to share more.